Hi there, Math Mages! In this video, we're going to discuss all about sets and the set notation. So in this lesson, you are expected to define the subset, universal set, union of sets, intersection, and complement of a set. Last video, I have discussed to you about the definition of the set. So this time, i-discuss naman natin ang mga ways in writing a set. Okay? So we have three ways. First is listing. So in listing, for example, we have set S. Okay? So set S have the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So you have noticed, kung i-describe lang natin ang set S, yung set S are the numbers or the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? So let us proceed to the next, writing a description. So same set, which is set S, is add whole numbers less than 10. So obviously, set S in writing a description is the same set here in listing. Okay? Yung pagkakaiba lang niya ay sa listing, inisa-isa ang mga elements, while in writing a description, you describe the given set as a whole. Okay? And lastly, we have the Venn diagram. So this is an illustration of a Venn diagram. It is a rectangle, and then meron circle na nasa loob ng rectangle. So it can be only one circle or dalawa or kahit ilang circle na drawn inside the rectangle. And in the circle, you have here the elements which is included in the set. Okay? So pwede siyang nasa loob ng circle or pwede rin siyang nasa labas ng circle. So that are the ways in writing a set. So let us proceed to the next topic. We have the subset. So subset is a set whose elements are members of another set. So the subset is in a symbol, this one. Okay? It means is a subset of. Okay, so let us have the example, same example, which is set S with the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay? So let us have a subset of set S. Let's say set A. Set A have the elements 5 and 9. Okay? So you will notice na ang elements na nandito sa set A ay nandito rin sa set S. So therefore, set A is a subset to set S. So kahit anong set na yung mga elements ay nasa the same set ay subset doon sa set S. Okay? So pwede pa tayong gumawa ng another set, set B. Set B have the elements 1, 3, and 5. Therefore, set B is also a subset to set S. Okay, let's proceed to the next example. So let us identify kung ang set A ba is a subset to set B. Okay, tignan natin kung lahat ng elements ng set A ay nasa set B. So, we have 2. Okay, nandito siya sa set B. 4 and 6. Therefore, set A is a subset to set B. Okay, so another is the sentence S is not a subset of T. So it is written as S is not a subset to T. Okay, for example, birds and flying creatures. So birds is not a subset to flying creatures. Why? So isipin natin, meron bang mga ibon na hindi flying creatures? Yes. For example, we have ostrich. Okay? So, an ostrich ay isang bird pero hindi nakakalipad. So, it is not a subset. So, let's say this is set A and this one is set B. So, set A is not a subset to set B. Okay? Another example, let us identify kung ang set A ba dito ay subset or not a subset of set B. Okay? So, let us see if all the elements here in set A are also the elements in set B. Okay? So, we have 0. So, walang 0. 1. Okay, walang 1. So, obviously pa lang, sa 0 and 1 is not here in set B. Therefore, set A is not a subset to set B. Okay, next. Any set S is a subset of itself because every element of S is an element of S. Okay, for example, we have birds is a subset of birds. Okay? Another, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a subset to same set. So, let's say this is set X and this is set Y. Okay? So, therefore, set X is a subset to Y kasi pareho lang silang mga elements. Furthermore, the empty set, so in the symbol this one, is a subset of every set S because every element of the empty set is an element of S. So, there being no elements in the empty set at all. Okay? So, we have here, this symbol is a subset to birds. So, pwede rin siyang ganitong symbol or the empty bracket or braces. So, another is, empty set is a subset to this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, for example, we have set Y. Set Y have the elements yellow and green. Okay? And let us have set Q as only yellow. Okay. So we know that set Q is a subset to set Y. Okay? And also the empty set. So empty set is a subset to Y. For example, this is set X. Okay, so set X is a subset to set Y. And next is in this Venn diagram. Okay, so the universal sets are the sets in P and Q and outside the circle. Okay, so lahat ng number or elements that you are going to mention in that set is a universal set. So let us have an example of a universal set given two sets. Okay? So let us have set A. For example, set A have the elements 5, 10, 15, and 20. And set B have the elements 2, 3, 5, and 10. Okay? So, let us have the universal set of the two sets. Okay? So, yung universal set niya, U, capital letter U, are the elements na nandito sa set A and set B. So, ililista lang natin. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So, therefore, this is a universal set of A and B. Let us discuss the union of a set. So, the union of a set is the same with the universal set. It is in capital letter U. Pero yung pagkakaiba lang nila is specific yung union. Ibig sabihin, kukombine mo lang lahat ng elements na nasa dalawang set or any set. For example, you have set A is a set of singers. Okay? And set B is the set of instrumentalists. Then, the union of A and B is the set of musical performers. Okay, let's proceed to the next example para mas madali natin ma-identify kung ano ba yung union of a set. Okay, so we have here set A and set B. So set A have the elements this one, and set B have the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yung union, from the word union, iisahin natin ang dalawang set. Therefore, ililist natin lahat ng elements na nandito sa set A at nandito sa set B. So we have the union, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay? So therefore, this is the union of A and B. So let's proceed naman to the intersection. Yung intersection naman ay ang kaparehong mga elements na nandun sa set. Okay? So in the definition, let's say set A and B denoted by A intersection B. So ito yung symbol ng intersection. It is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B. Sets with no common elements are called disjoint sets. So for example, if A is a set of singers and B is a set of instrumentalists, then the intersection of A and B are singers who play an instrument. Okay? So let's proceed to the next example para mas madali nating maintindihan. So we have set A 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And set B is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So, sa intersection, titignan lang natin ang kaparehong mga elements sa dalawang set. Okay? So, we have 2, 3, 4, and yun lang. Tatlong set lang, tatlong elements lang ang nandyan sa dalawang set. So that are the union of the two set. Let us have an example of an intersection of a set given a Venn diagram. So we have here two sets, set P and Q, in where set P have the elements 3, 6, and 9. Okay? And then set Q naman have the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, napapansin natin, yung part na kung saan nag-intersect ang set P and Q, yung shaded part, ay ang tinatawag na intersection of a set. So, you were going to write U, nakabaliktad, intersection is equal to the set with the element 6. So let us have our last topic, which is the complement of a set, denoted by A complement. So this is the symbol for complement. It is the set of elements that are not in set A but in the universal set. So let us have an illustration using the Venn diagram. Okay? So we have the universal set. Lahat ng elements na nasa loob ng rectangle is the universal set. And we have set P, which is all the elements inside P are 3, 6, and 9. While all the elements naman na inside Q are 2, 4, 6, and 8. So yung pagkuha ng complement ng set P is to look at the elements na wala sa P pero nandun sa universal set. Okay? Therefore, eliminate lang natin kung ano ang nasa P, and then kung ano yung natira na elements sa universal set, yan ang complement ng P. Okay? So we have 3, 6, and 9. So the complement of P is set 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. So kung gusto naman natin kunin ang complement ng Q, is we have complement Q is to get all the elements na wala sa Q. Okay? So, tignan natin ulit ang universal set. So, we have, we eliminate 2, 8, 6, and 4. Okay? So, we just list all the elements na natira. So, we have 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, that is the complement of Q. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. And I hope meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito. This is Teacher Babs, and see you again. Bye!